Here's what we have going on right now. 44 degrees at O'Hare, 48 at McHenry, 47 at Joliet, 37 at Rensselaer. It's still a little chilly out here to the east, but we're seeing winds that are coming up from the south, and these winds will get very breezy later today and will push our temperatures way up. How breezy will it be? Well, we actually have a wind advisory that's in place from noon until 7 p.m. with winds that'll run about 20 to 30 miles an hour and could gust as high as about 45 miles per hour. Right now, we have some clouds moving through the Chicago area. It's not a big deal. Those will move on their way and make room for plenty of sunshine when the sun comes up in about a half hour from now. You're taking a look at the wind gust tracker later today. This is at 2 p.m. and you can see how the gusts get way up there. We're going to have breezy conditions into the nighttime hours tonight, and then it won't be quite as windy tomorrow, but it'll still be breezy tomorrow, but that's okay. That's what gets the temperatures up to levels like this, 82 degrees after yesterday's high of about 56 degrees. What a change, better than 25 degrees higher than yesterday. Tomorrow, we're looking at 83 degrees, and we're looking at just the possibility to pop a few thunderstorms as we head through the afternoon hours, so stay in touch with that. 82 today and 83 on Sunday. Monday brings a change, 71 degrees and some thunderstorms. And then Tuesday brings cooler weather to Chicago with a high of just 58 degrees. Your normal high at this time of year is in the mid-60s. So we go from well above the norm to below the norm for just a little bit.